the new words I have written on it. Okay children, as you know we are doing and we have read the chapter He is My Brother. It is a chapter in your unit 9 in your book NCERT book, that is Marigold, in your class 3rd. Okay, now today what we are going to do? Now we are going to learn or understand the new words that came in the chapter or story. Okay, let's understand it. Your first new word that you know is UNDERSTAND. What will we read children? Yes, it is understand. Okay. The meaning of understand in Hindi is समझ लेना, and the meaning in English of understand is in English to know the meaning. To know the meaning, किसी चीज का meaning जानना, यानी कि समझ लेना. Now let's make a sentence out of it. I have framed a sentence. I will understand this topic today. मैं ये टॉपिक आज समझ लूंगा. You can make several sentences like this. You will understand. Have you understood? Are you going to understand this chapter from your teacher? I will understand this lecture from my sister. Like this, you can make so many sentences. Now come on second. CLIMBED, climbed. It is climbed, चढ़ना. Okay. Meaning in Hindi is चढ़ना and meaning in English is to go upright, to go upward, ऊपर की तरफ चढ़ाई करना. Mainly हम stairs and mountains and hill पे climb करते हैं, tree पे भी climb करते हैं. Now the sentences that I have framed, the squirrel is climbing up the tree. ठीक है, squirrel tree पे climb कर रही है is मतलब. Third is HOLY, holy. Third new word is holy. The meaning in Hindi is पवित्र, पावन, शुद्ध. ठीक है, इस तरीके से meaning होता है हिंदी में. And meaning in English is pure. Something is very pure or blessed. Blessed मतलब I am blessed to have my mama and papa in my life. Blessed मतलब आप बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हो, blessed फील कर रहे हो अगर आपके पास कुछ चीज है, या फिर आप प्योर. I have framed the sentence. Ganga is a holy river. Ganga एक पवित्र river है. Temple is a holy place. Like this you can make many sentences. Now come on fourth. SLOWLY, slowly. It is slowly. And the meaning in Hindi of slowly is धीरे से. ठीक है. And meaning in English is at very less speed. बहुत ही कम speed से. The sentence that I have framed is I am walking slowly on roadside. ठीक है, मैं रोड साइड पे slowly walk कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. Now come on fifth. SORRY, sorry. Meaning in Hindi is दुखी, खराब, किसी के लिए बुरा लगना. All are the meaning of sorry. To feel bad about. ठीक है, किसी चीज के लिए bad feel करना. Bad about something. Okay. Sentence that I have framed is I feel sorry for my late submission. कि कोई वर्क आप लेट सबमिट करते हो या किसी को आपने कुछ बोल दिया है तो you feel sorry for that. Okay. Like this we have discussed our 5 new words. Now let's discuss our fifth one. Fifth new word is load. The meaning of load is boj. Okay children. If you will see the board, you will easily able to see load I have written on the next side of the board. Okay, आपको easily दिखाई दे रहा है. Now let's read the spelling of load. LOAD, load meaning बोझ, and English में a heavy weight, बहुत ही heavy weight होना. The sentence that I have framed is do not carry load on your back. अपने बैक पे ज्यादा लोड कैरी नहीं करो. Okay. Now we have ended with our new words. Our first new word is understand. Second is climbed. Third is holy. Fourth is slowly. Fifth is sorry. And sixth one is load. Now we will do the question answers that we came in this chapter. Okay. First of all, let's read the question number 1. Question number 1 is where were the people going? लोग कहाँ जा रहे थे? Can you tell me children? Yes, you all are right. They were going to a holy place. So see the answer. The pupil were. So we have to write here were. The pupil were going to holy place. पवित्र place पे वो लोग चल रहे थे. Now come on question number 2. What's the question number 2? What did the man say to मीना? मीना से उस आदमी ने क्या कहा? अब देखो डिड के साथ यहाँ पे से लगा है. मैंने हमेशा बोला जब भी डिड क्वेश्चन में आएगा जो भी एक्शन वर्ड होता है वो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही लेता है, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ही लेता है. तो यहाँ पे हमें से ही लिखना पड़ेगा. मीना से आदमी ने क्या कहा? उसने कहा नहीं, बेसिकली पूछा था. तो पूछने को हम बोलते हैं आस्क्ड. क्या बोलते हैं? आस्क्ड. अब डिड हटेगा तो आस्क्ड की पास फॉर्म होती है आस्क्ड. तो वी विल राइट द मैन आस्क्ड. The man asked मीना about. उसके बारे किसके बारे में पूछा? Why? क्यों? She was carrying the load of small boy on her back. तो मैन ने क्या पूछा था कि why she was carrying the load of a small boy on her back. ये पूछा था उसने कि तुम एक छोटे बच्चे का बोझ अपने बैक पे लेके क्यों चल रही हो, क्यों लिया हुआ है तुमने. Okay, now come on the third, that is the last question. Why do you think Meena was carrying her brother? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि मीना अपने ब्रदर को कैरी कर रही है? क्यों कर रही थी? क्यों आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मीना ने अपने ब्रदर को क्यों कैरी किया होगा? Can you tell me why she is carrying her brother? Yes, you all are right. Meena was यहाँ पे मीना was carrying her brother on her back as he was unable. UNABL unable. able नहीं होने को बोलते हैं unable to walk. Because वो walk करने में unable था, walk नहीं कर सकता था. That's why she was carrying her brother. Okay children, we have discussed the question answers. Now there are some options. Choose the correct answer question है on page number 92 in your book itself. Then I am going to read it and tell the answer. Choose the correct answer. What went up the hill? Your question is what went up the hill? A path, a street, a road, a rail. क्या जा रहा था हिल तक children? Yes, you all are right. A path is going to the hill. एक रास्ता ही जा रहा था हिल पर. Now come to question number 2. What is the name of the girl in the story? What is the name of the girl in the story children? Yes, you all are right. The name of the girl is Meena. Even you don't need any option to tell the name of the girl. But here are some options. Seema, Beena, Meena, Neena. And you very well know it's Meena. The name of the girl is Meena. Now come on. Third, how old was Meena? Even for this question, you need not to have any option. You can tell the age of the Meena right now. Yes, you all are right. The age of the Meena is 12 years. Okay? You will correct on the right answer. You will tick on the right answer. Last question. How old was Meena's brother? How old was Meena's brother? For this question also, you need not to have any options. You have read the story. I have explained the story well. You can tell the answer of it right now. Yes, the answer is 4 years old. The age of Meena's brother was 4 years old. Children, like this, we have done our chapter well. We have read the chapter and now we have done with the new words and question answers of this chapter. Thank you so much, children.